In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using both Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Teams. This simple yet essential skill will help you stay organized and ensure that everyone you need is present and prepared. So let's dive in. First, open either your Outlook or Microsoft Teams app. The choice here depends on which tool you're more comfortable with or what's more accessible at the moment. If you're starting with Outlook, go ahead and open it up. Once you're in, look to your calendar for meeting scheduling options. You'll notice an option labeled New Teams Meeting. Click on this and you'll be taken to a window where you'll fill out all the details of your meeting. Here, you can specify your meeting subject, select the dates and times, and add any necessary notes or agenda items that the participants should be aware of. Be concise yet informative to make sure that your invitees know exactly what to expect. Don't forget to add the email addresses of everyone you want to attend. This will send out calendar invites to all your attendees, which they can easily accept to ensure your meeting is on their radar. Once you've completed filling out all these fields, simply hit send and your invitations will be on their way. Now all your invitees will have the meeting details they need, including the Teams link for joining. Alternatively, if you decide to use the Microsoft Teams app, open the app and navigate to the calendar on the sidebar. You'll find this usually marked simply as Calendar. Once you're in the calendar view, look for the option that says New Meeting and click on it. Similar to Outlook, you'll be prompted to fill out the meeting's basic details. This interface might feel slightly different, but the essential pieces of information required are the same. Make sure to fill in the meeting's start and end time, the subject, and any agenda highlights. Adding details here helps ensure a focused meeting with no ambiguity about what will be discussed. Finally, much like in Outlook, be sure to input the email addresses or select people who you need to join the meeting. Having a clear list of attendees helps everyone manage their schedules effectively. Once you're all set with the details, send out the invitations. Microsoft Teams will handle the distribution of these invites, ensuring each person receives a calendar notification with the meeting link embedded. Whether you're scheduling through Outlook or directly on Teams, each path leads to a seamlessly organized meeting, keeping you and your collaborators on the same page. With these simple tools at your disposal, you can maintain your professional life efficiently and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. That's all for today's tutorial. Happy planning and see you at your next meeting.